Cuddled in a sunbeam or sprawled across keyboards, cat sleep is an art form. From the classic loaf position, where paws are neatly tucked under as if ready for a bakery showcase, to the Superman, with their bellies to the floor and limbs outstretched as if flying through their dreams, each pose tells a story. Some cats favor curling into tight balls, showcasing their natural instinct to conserve warmth. Then there are those cats who drape themselves on the back of sofas, like liquid fur. Whether it's the upside-down twist or the face-planted pillow snuggle, each quirky position captures a cat's unique character, making every nap an adorable spectacle.